Hello, I'm going to demonstrate how to get the serial number of your computer. Take note that this command will work on both laptop and desktop systems. So let's start. First, click Start. Immediately type in the word CMD and then click the first item that will show on the Best Match panel. This will bring up your command prompt. On the command prompt, type in the word WMIC space BIOS space get space serial number, but in one word, and then press enter. The serial number of your machine will usually show on this line right here, but take note that the result of this command will depend on the system that you're using. Mine didn't show anything. This is because I'm just using a generic hardware, meaning it doesn't have any serial number in it, or it's not branded.